to my YouTube channel. And this particular video, I'll be talking about Rubi migration. I received a lot of congratulation message based on the last video which I actually created about Rubi sending me invitation. And in less than I think 1 hour, I fill in the necessary documentation and everything which was actually asked. And in less than 1 hour, I was actually verified, which I can actually show you. So today in this video, I'll be talking about migration. Although Ruby have not actually said anything about migration, but I saw something which I think it would be good that I share with my community members so that we can just try it out and see what we'll be able to get out of it. It is what it is. So let me come to my profile section here. So let me tap on it. Let me go to verification. So if you still want to join particular beautiful project, I'll be dropping my referral link in and also in the comment section of this particular video. I don't understand what this particular is, but look at it. It has actually been marked there. So I'll be dropping my referral link. If you want to join my WhatsApp community, it is free of charge. I'm dropping the link in and also in the comment section of this particular video. So after doing that, let me show you some certain things which I'll be sharing with you. Don't forget to try and share the particular video so that a lot of people can actually learn. And if you want to actually do and also pass your Ruby KYC, I'll be dropping the details video which I actually created in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So you come to this particular place here, you tap on it, then what you need to do is that, see, in fact I was wowed when I saw this particular migration of it. And so you come to this particular one called statistics. So you allow it to load, then you come to this particular one which says users verified. If you have not actually done your KYC, you won't see the particular thing I'm actually sharing with you now. You can see it now, it says user verified. You can see I've actually mined, see, you can see it's self-exploit. That means I've mined 304 Ruby. Group is 0, trusted cycle is saying 0. So I tap on your migration of 18. Let me show you what I saw. You could see the says formula one I've actually mined that I can withdraw everything. I'm not saying you should give it a try, but I'm just trying it out here for educational purpose. See, they say this wallet is under construction for security reason. Please do not migrate greater than 100. So let me just try and say, okay, let me give it a try and just remove the 4 that is on it there. Let me try and send the 4. I wish I can just manually type it because I do not like, I wish I can manually type it. See, let me just wait and try and do it. Let me just try 4 out. I don't want to waste my Ruby because Ruby is a very scarce commodity which you usually do when anytime they get listed. So let me try with something I can afford to lose. So now I've actually made it 3. I'll be testing it out. So let me tap on this particular apply. They say because there's that warning saying it is under construction. So it shows something I think is actually not working. So from here, I've seen a lot of people talking about a lot of things, not actually utilizing the particular Ruby trusted cycle. So I will be adding more people to my trusted cycle. If you are actually watching a particular video, comment trust cycle, then I will add you to my trust cycle. So you can also hear a lot from trusted cycle, which I will actually share with you now in a minute. So now this is it now. You can see I have to total of 558 Ruby now. So self-exploit, which was the greater one, which I've actually done for myself, 54.5 was actually what I mined. So from group mining, that is from referral and everything, I have 42.37%. And look, from my trusted cycle now, I have gotten 17.49. I tell you, the trusted cycle is actually working. So let me show you my trusted cycle now. Let me come to this particular group. So if you want to create your own trusted cycle, you could see this is my mining, this is conversation, and this is trusted cycle. So you come to this particular place called trusted cycle now. You could see this is somebody, this is a brother, now. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 people to add to my trusted cycle, and he's a very active brother. So anybody who wants to join my trusted cycle, comment in this particular video comment section and I'll be sending you my WhatsApp community, or just comment in my WhatsApp community and say trusted cycle. Make sure you are always active, and I will add you to my trusted cycle. And the more I mine and you mine, we'll be getting some extra amount of Ruby from this particular trust cycle, just like the one of interlink that we actually did. So these are all I have for you. Please kindly like, share, click on bell notification, and upload any other new video. Thank you, and bye bye for now.